Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Hi, I am Chaitanya aka Mate Hacker. In this video today we are going to solve a Tryhackme room called as Fool's Mate, and this is freely available on Tryhackme. You can go there and check it out. In this room we are going to find a critical vulnerability which is on a client side. We just need to bypass the client side restriction and then we need to find the flag. This video is going to be a perfect gold mine for all cybersecurity learners. So let's start the video. First of all, I will start the lab machine, and I'm not going to use any Linux machine. I'm just going to start the attack box machine from here only, so we can easily access this machine from our browser only. So our attack box is ready. So let's go to the browser right now here. First of all, we will copy the IP from here. And then we will open Firefox browser here. So let me fix this a little bit. Now, as you can see here, we have a chess game here available. And I think we need to checkmate the target. And it is very easy to checkmate it, okay? So let's try to checkmate it. Right here. Okay, what? I will shut down your PC if you play that. Okay, we will try another one. Here. We will try once again. Okay, the same pop-up is coming up. Then we will try something different here. Okay. If we go further, then we'll try once again. Okay, now this is something critical. I think this might be client side or this might be a server side. Why? Because whenever I try to go further with another particular moves, then it goes easily. But if I try to move this particular, when I try to move this, then it shows me this pop-up that I will shut down your computer if you play that. Then I think this move has some restrictions that might be server side or that might be client side. So we need to look that. So for that, what I can do is let's check out inspect. So let's check the network tab. Here, let me fix this first. Okay. Then let me put some responsive. Okay. This is pretty much good, I think. Okay. Now let me get some this little bit. Then let's go into the network tab. Here, reload. Okay, as I reload, there are many requests, HTTP request. Okay, and we need to look here only how the response is happening. So for this, I need to see the API's request. So I can click here as a filter, XHDR, XHR, and let's try to make a request. Let's move further. Okay, one request is going on. Then let's try to make this one. Okay. Okay. Another moves are being called to the server. There are HTTP requests for this, but whenever I try to move this one, it shows pop-up and it doesn't show any request here. That means this is on a client side, not on server side. Okay, this all the moves are going back to the server, requesting and then coming back to the client. But only this doesn't move from here. Means this doesn't go to the server only. All the restrictions are happening on client side only. So what we need to do is let's check the header of this move, and okay, the status is 200. Okay, and let's see for key request. Okay, the request is in JSON. As you can see, the request is in a JSON form, and it shows the move from where to 2 means from F2 to F3. Okay, this was from F2 to F3. Okay, freeze the response, then move F2 to F3. Bot move. Okay, the bot move is also been shown here, and the turn W. Okay, status outgoing. Okay, pretty much good now. Now let's see some code. I need to go here in debugger tab, and then in JSON app.js. All this code is on client side, so we can view it. If it was on server, then we can't. So remember that. So let's check out the JS thing. Let's try to read the code. Okay, there are the functions here. Billboard. Okay, for yet. Okay, the function set is then render. Okay, cabinet move function. Clear hint. Okay, show hint. Let's go further. These are all the application that we I think don't need. And then render move. Okay, there is a function called pre-move check, and it goes from to promotion. Okay, then pro B, new chess game, let result try, and from promotion undefined, result is equal to none, and show a system notice. I will shut down your PC if you try to do this. Okay, as you can see here, this is a particular function that doesn't allow us to make a move. Okay, now we have bypass for this. We can use curl command, and we can easily bypass this. So what we need to do is we just need to look for the moves, and to look for the moves, it starts from F1 and ends on F8. Okay, so keep in that mind, and let's try to make a curl command. Let's try to make a curl request on this, and let's try to bypass it. Okay, so we'll go back into terminal, and here just I will make it a little bit big. Curl -+x. Now remember that if we want to send any post request or any another type of request like delete, put, and many other HTTP method requests, then we need to type them. Okay, and if we don't type, then it automatically sends get request by default only. Curl always sends get request by default if it doesn't enter any HTTP method or doesn't tell the curl command to go with it. Okay, so remember that. Now we are going to send a post particular HTTP request to the particular app, so we can bypass it. Okay, so curl +x and curl -x and the post HTTP method request, and this is the particular method. And then after, what we can do is we can copy the URL. Okay, before that, I think we need to enter the header thing. Okay, what is the header? The content type is application.js. Okay, so keep in that mind, we need to enter it here, and then -type application song. Okay, after that, I think we need to add the flag too. Okay, and flag is -H, the header one. then data. As the data is in JSON form, then in curly brackets we need to enter from then colon, it was from F1. Okay, is it right? Yes. Then colon to F8 and then curly bracket close. Is this enough? Something is missing, right? Sorry for the particular thing. In this error is that we forgot to enter the URL only, and that is the most important thing of this particular request. So we will go back here. After the post, we will enter our URL, that is http and then / then we will copy the URL from here. With that, we are making a move for API move. Okay, we are making the request for it. We'll paste this and then /API/move and then content type application JS. We forgot to put this all into form of JS. Okay, JSON form. So I think this is pretty much good. Let's go back and let me verify the response was in this form only or what. Okay, yes, it was in F1 only and F2, F3. Okay, so let's go back, as hence we verified it. Let's try to enter. Okay, illegal move, something is not, we got the response but it says that okay and false and error, illegal move. Okay, we missed something here now. I think that might be the move only. So we'll refresh this once and select this. We'll go on F7. Illegal move, it shows request from A to A7. Okay, we were doing the wrong thing. The thing is that I forgotten the values downside here, that is A, B, C, D, and I was trying for F1 and F2. So okay, that was the error. We will go back. First we need to understand where the particular move we need to do, that is from A1 to A8. Okay, so keep that in mind and let's go back. And here, okay, from yes, we need to clear this F and A and then enter. Yes, and we did it. And as you can see, we got the flag here, and we successfully bypassed the particular restriction that was there. Okay, let's keep the flag here, and this, as we can see here, we solved this room successfully. And also try to check out the free room on Tryhackme. And this is what for this video. I will meet you next one. Till then, bye.